What's up, guys? So sorry for the lack of videos and all the content, but we finally got our batteries and chargers, so we'll be able to film again. Event was sick Saturday. My car did good, and then I went street drifting Monday night. Have some coolant problems, so we're gonna fix that. The little coolant line that goes through the throttle body, we're just gonna delete that. We don't need that, so pulling in my car, gonna do that. Brendan's painting his valve covers. That color is so sick. So we were rain drifting Monday night. This little coolant line that passes through the throttle body, I don't know how, but it just decided to rip, and then like I was low on coolant, so me and Justin actually collected rainwater with a bottle, like cut the top off, and it was enough to get home without overheating. So I'm gonna put those clips in here of rain drifting. Alright guys, so this is just going to be a little time lapse of me putting on this coolant hose and deleting the other thing. So scratch that. I don't feel like doing this. It's like way under the manifold, so I'm going to have to take apart the manifold to get to it. Tim and Justin are coming over with the Z. We gotta like lower the rear coilovers to put in his dampening adjusters because they're like long sticks. So we're just going to do that for tonight. I don't really want to do this. It's a lot of work. Right in here. But if I pull off the throttle body and this intercooler pipe, I think I'll be able to get to it. But I'm not going to do it now because Tim and Justin are coming over with the Z and Tim has an event Saturday. So we'll just wait on this. Back it up. Let's see. What do we got there?
This got a junk ass fucking.
Not even the little. Hold on. Not even the little adjuster.
Little man's a dumbass.
This thing is a free spinning ratchet.
I guess I shouldn't have taken this one.
That is so close to the spring. That like we couldn't find a socket, but we found one, and we just had to move the spring a little bit. So the fire's roaring, we cooking.
We got the
we got one of them in, and this is what we did. We put the little adjuster, cause you can't get to the top on Z's. We put that on, and this is the final product. Now Tim can adjust his dampening.
The good old.
So Tim just finished, just gotta throw his wheels on.
Yeah, it wasn't that really challenging.
Nah, it wasn't a big deal, just something he needed to do. So I just pulled my car back in. I'm not gonna get into this now, that's it for tonight. We'll come back tomorrow. Next day here now. I'm gonna start ripping this apart so I can fix this coolant line. Next week is the turkey burn, so that's probably the last thing I'm gonna drift. But that slideways, so it's gonna be crazy.
We bop and pretty hot. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and pretty hot. I'll never be a million.
So I just got all the intercooler piping off the throttle body. Now, this is the line. Hold up. Right here. And as you see, we put vice grips on there so that no coolant was flowing through and leaking out, just so I could get home. And you gotta remove this coolant line also, and then I'm just gonna bypass this so that it just goes straight from here to where this one goes instead of through the throttle body, because everyone does it and you don't need it. So I just finished getting the throttle body off. Here it is. I'm gonna give it a really good clean before I put it back in. And I think I have a new gasket also, so we'll be good. We're just gonna give it a quick clean and then put on the new gasket. I have one. Here it is. This is the gasket. So I'm gonna throw that on, clean this thing. And so it's not perfect, but it's definitely cleaner. And this is the old gasket, so sadly I don't think I can get to this without taking off the top part of the manifold, so just gonna start taking that off. So it's two pieces, so I'm taking off the top so I can get in there, and I have new gaskets and stuff I never used when I took it apart, so we'll do that now. So I just pulled off the half of the manifold, like just enough to get to it. I don't feel like taking it off all the way, but this is the hose right here. So we're gonna pull that off and put a new one, and then it just goes to here, so it can be really short. So I just deleted that line that goes through the throttle body, and here it is. Just loops where it went through it, so no more of that problem. Time to put it all back. Manifold install, check. So the throttle body's on. New gasket, so now I'll just throw the intercooler pipe on. So I just gotta do a quick check and then we should be all set. Yeah, there's that horrible rattle front in the exhaust I expect. Horrible rattle in the exhaust somewhere. I'm gonna have to look at that after, but it sounds smooth. We'll check the AFRs and stuff. AFRs are good. Now we'll just start bleeding the system. That squeaking is so annoying, but I think it's just my water pump. It's either the water pump, alternator, or power steering. So I'll replace that, but it works fine, so it's not a big deal. Also, my power steering pump, it squeals like crazy after a couple laps at the event, so I'm gonna need one of those. I think Little Man might have one. So this is that obnoxious rattle. But coolant's all bled. I think we're all good, so that's all for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe.